Stop scrolling. If you're tired of feeling weak, stiff, low on energy, this is for you. Because what I'm about to show you is not just another workout. These 8 simple exercises can completely transform your body, your strength, your flexibility, and even your confidence. No gym, no equipment, just your body and consistency. But before we start, tell me this in the comment. What's your name and age, and how many times do you sex in a week with your partner? I read every comment. Let's connect. Now, let's get into it. 1. Crisscross. Knee tuck. We're starting strong. Sit on the floor, lean slightly back, and bring your knees toward your chest. Now extend your legs out and cross them over each other as you pull back in. Control every movement. This exercise hits your core hard. Not just your abs, your deep stabilizing muscles. If you want a tighter stomach and better control over your body, this is where it begins. Do it for 30 to 40 seconds. 2. Child pose push-ups. Now drop into a child's pose. Stretch your arms forward. Feel that length in your spine. From here, glide your body forward into a push-up position. Lower down and push back again. This movement is powerful. It builds upper body strength while keeping your body flexible and fluid. You're not just training muscles, you're improving how your body moves as one unit. Slow, controlled, intentional. 3. Seated knee flex or stretch. Sit tall. Extend one leg straight, bring the other foot inward. Now gently lean forward toward your extended leg. Feel that stretch behind your knee and hamstrings. This is important. Tight legs equals poor mobility, bad posture, and even lower performance. Hold this stretch. Breathe into it. Your flexibility improves here. 4. Lying scissors cross. Lie flat on your back. Lift both legs slightly off the ground. Now begin crossing them over each other, like scissors. Keep your core tight. Don't rush. This burns, and that's a good sign. It's targeting your lower abs, one of the hardest areas to train. Stay strong. Stay controlled. 5. Prayer squats. Yoga pose. Stand with your feet wide. Lower yourself into a deep squat. Bring your hands together in a prayer position. Use your elbows to gently push your knees outward. Open your hips. Lift your chest. This is more than a squat. It's a full body opener. It improves flexibility, balance, and posture. Hold this position. Feel the stretch. 6. Crisscross leg raises. Back on the floor. Raise your legs straight up. Now lower them slowly and cross them as you bring them back up. Your core should be doing all the work. No swinging, no shortcuts. This builds control and strength at the same time. Your abs will feel this instantly. 7. Reverse plank. Flip over. Place your hands and feet on the ground. Lift your body up facing the ceiling. Squeeze your glutes. Keep your body straight. This is the reverse plank. It strengthens your back, shoulders, and core, areas most people ignore. Hold it. Feel your body working together. 8. Supine windshield wipers. Lie on your back again, arms stretched out to the sides. Lift your legs up, then slowly rotate them side to side, like windshield wipers. Control the movement. This improves core strength and spinal mobility. It also builds control in your obliques, the muscles that shape your waist. Slow is powerful here. That's it. 8 exercises, simple but powerful. If you do this routine every single day, your body will change. You'll feel stronger, move better, look better, and most importantly, you'll build discipline. Because results don't come from motivation. They come from consistency. So start today. No excuses. And don't forget, comment your name and your country below. Save this routine and come back tomorrow to do it again. Your transformation starts now.